Hi guys. Today we're starting Unit 2, Section 1, Solve Systems of Linear Equations. So this is neat. You're going to need a ruler. Okay, so we're going to start out by graphing. So already in y equals mx plus b slope-intercept form, so easy to graph. So the y-intercept is right there at 3. The slope is 1 over 2. So you go up 1 over 2. So the other one, I'll go ahead and graph this one, same idea, slope, intercept form. Y-intercept is right there at positive 1. Slope is 1. So 1 up over 1. So most of you already remember this from Algebra 1. When you're solving systems by graphing, the intersection between these two functions, that's a big deal. So that's going to be where your solution is. And that point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the intersection will be at 4, 5. If we plug those values into the original equations, what do you notice? Let's see. So I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to plug in 4 for x, 5 for y. Four times 1/2 is 2. And 2 plus 3 is 5. So that's a true statement. I'm going to try the same thing for the second function. So again, I'm going to plug in 4 for x, 5 for y. Perfect. So both statements turn out to be true. So both statements are true. Another one. So y-intercept form. Y-intercept is right there at 4. The slope is negative 2. So you go down 2 over 1. I'll go ahead and graph the other function. Already in the slope-intercept form, so that's good for me. Start right there at the y-intercept. And the slope is negative 2, so down 2 over 1. These two lines are parallel, so they will never intersect. If we plug those values into the original equations, what do you notice? So off we go. Well, we don't have anything to plug in. What does it mean? It will never intersect, so there's no solution. Because we were looking for the solution where the two lines intersect. In this case, that's not going to happen. Okay, this one is not in slope-intercept form, but I can easily make that. Take away 2x from both sides. So voila, slope-intercept form, easy to graph. So y-intercept is right there at 4. Slope right there at negative 2. So that means go down 2 over 1. this is not the only way to graph this, by the way. You could have used the x and the y-intercept, but since it's already done. Okay, the same idea here, minus 4x on both sides. Divide both sides by 2. Same line. That means if I were to graph, they will overlap everywhere. I'm going to push it over to the side a little so you can see that they're both green and blue. Where do they intersect? Well, every single point is an intersection. They intersect everywhere. So every point is an intersection. So what does it mean? Oh, we need to plug in the values. Just kidding. We will be here plugging in values forever. So it means it doesn't matter which numbers or which one are you going to choose? I don't know. So it doesn't matter which one you choose, it's always going to be true. So your answer for this one will be all real numbers, because it doesn't matter which one you choose, it is going to come out to be true, like the statement from the first one. So we were looking for true statements, and in this case, any number that you choose right there will come out to be a true statement.